Welcome to my fetching art channel. Start with a small circle in the center of your page. This will be the center of your flower. From the center, draw the first petal by making a large oval shape that extends outward. Ensure that the base of the petal is slightly narrower where it meets the center circle. Continue drawing more petals around the center circle. The number of petals can vary depending on the flower type you want to draw. The number of petals can vary depending on the type of flower. 5 to 8 petals is a very good number for a simple flower. Make sure the petals overlap slightly to give a natural look. Add some curves to the edges of the petals to make them look more natural. You can also vary the shapes and size of each petal slightly to give the flower a more realistic appearance. Draw a long, slightly curved line extending downward from the bottom of the center circle. This will be the stem. Make the stem thicker by adding a parallel line next to the first one and connect them at the bottom. Add veins to the leaf by drawing a central line and several smaller lines branching out from it. Repeat on the other side of the stem, adding one or more leaves as desired. Now add shading the whole petals. Draw a small line rotating from the center circle into each petal to represent the veins. Go over your drawing to clean up any unnecessary lines and refine the shapes. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more tutorials. Erase any guidelines. Thanks for watching this video.